Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your text appear to be bigger in Windows. So as you guys can see on the top here, my text is pretty small. Like if I type in hey there, as you guys can see, it's kind of hard to read sometimes and it can strain my eyes. So what I like to do sometimes is actually come to the bottom left hand side right here and type in settings and click on it or hit enter, and then inside of this I click on the ease of access tab, which is right here on the right hand side, ease of access. I click it and then I am greeted with the make text bigger. So I can make the text as big as I really want it. So I can go from 100% to, let's say, 150%. And then to apply the text increase in size, you just need to hit apply. And as you can see, the text is slightly bigger. It also appears bigger in Chrome. If you guys want it to be even bigger, let's say 225%, you can change it again and then hit apply once more, and the text is even bigger. And you go back to Chrome and it's even larger. And this can a lot of the times help your eyes out if they're strained and make things easier to see. And if you guys want to turn it back down, all you need to do is just scroll it back down to 100% and hit apply, and it will go back to default. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the trick and have a great day.